everyone, Grandma here. Happy Vlogmas. Today I am making Italian Amaretti Christmas cookies. My father was Italian and these are the cookies that we often ate during the holidays. These are a traditional cookie and they are very easy to make. They only require a few ingredients. Here are the ingredients. 2 cups of almond flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3 large egg whites, room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of almond extract. The first thing I'm going to do is put the almond flour in a medium bowl. And you put all the almond flour in at once. And next, we're going to put all the granulated sugar in. And that goes all at once. You put all the sugar in. And now all you have to do is mix it all together. It smells so good. The almond flour has such a nice aroma. The almond flour and the sugar has been all stirred well. It's all been mixed well. So now you put this aside, and you could use a medium bowl, but I like to use a large bowl. And now I'm going to put my egg whites in that I already previously separated. And now I'm going to take my egg beater, my antique egg beater, to beat the egg whites. You could use an electric mixer if you want. You beat it till you get stiff white peaks. My egg whites are done. It's at a stiff peak, so now I'm going to put in my almond and sugar mixture. But you have to fold it in. It has to be folded into the egg whites. So I'll put a little bit, and then I have my spatula here, and you have to gently fold it in. You have to be gentle with this. And then I'll put a little more in. And then you keep folding it. And then now, as I'm folding some of this in, now I'm going to put in my vanilla extract and my almond extract. And continue to fold it, and I'll put a little more of the sugar and almond in it. The smell smells so good. You really smell the almond. Pour the rest of it in. So now the bowl's empty. Now I'll just keep folding this gently. And you could see it's starting to come together to form a dough. And you could see how easy it is to put this together. Just a few ingredients, and it doesn't take long at all. It's all done now, as you see. Just take whatever dough from the sides down, and that's it. You got to scoop the dough out and put it on the cookie sheet. If you don't have a cookie scoop, you can use a teaspoon and do it with a teaspoon. And it's how much dough you use will dictate how big the cookies will be. If you use a lot of dough, you're going to have less cookies. If you use smaller amounts of dough, you'll have more cookies. Now the dough's on the cookie sheet, and now they have to rest for 1 hour before you put them in the oven. So I'll be back after an hour and we'll get these put in the oven. The cookies have been resting for 1 hour and now they're ready to be put in the oven. We're going to put it in a 250-degree oven that I already have preheated. They have to bake for 1 hour. Okay, the cookies are in the oven. The cookies are now out of the oven. I had to cook them for 1 hour and 10 minutes. These cookies have to be cooked till they get firm. They have to be put on the wire rack to get cool. The cookies are now on the serving plate, and I made 26 cookies. How's it taste, Santa?
I'll let you know in a minute, Grandma. They're nice, Grandma. They got a nice almond flavor. A little crunchy on the outside, soft in the middle. Nice, very nice cookies. You did a wonderful job.
Santa, are these the best cookies you ever tasted? Because I know you have tasted a lot of cookies.
With that nice almond flavor in there, I'd have to rate these in the top 10 of the cookies I've eaten.
Thank you, Santa.
You're welcome, Grandma.